Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will share with you two of the easiest way to make soy yogurt. My name is Natalia. I like to cook healthy and delicious plant-based recipes. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you can stay up to date. We are going to make some amazing recipes together. Let's jump into the video. For the first recipe, I am using 23 ounces of milk at room temperature. I like to use this brand because there's only two ingredients and it's organic soybeans and water. Add 1 packet of yogurt culture to the milk while stirring. I put the link in the description to where you can find it. Keep stirring. Okay, first recipe is ready. Now for the second one you can use our yogurt starter. For the recipe, I always use 2 cups of room temperature soy milk. Add 1 tablespoon of the yogurt starter. Stir it. I always keep 1 small jar of yogurt starter for the next time in the refrigerator. Pour the mix into individual jars. In the addition, mix 1 cup of milk with half a tablespoon of the yogurt. Stir it. Put jars into an instant pot. Cover the lid and keep it on the vent. Set yogurt program for 12 hours. It's ready. Let's check now how it looks. Oh, look at this yogurt we made from yogurt starter. Let's check the yogurt from the dry yogurt culture. It's so beautiful and thick. It's live food with probiotics. Now put them in the refrigerator. For breakfast, I like to serve my yogurt with fresh berries and chia seeds. If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.